Keyboard punya jangka Bethany Hospital nadu ki doktor, ki nurse, bat kumjuru ki nongtrai. Mentakasi ka khandu tarik unailar ajar saw, ki Īasnoh ktilang, bat ki doktor, ki nurse hakalang kari India hibur kawai, man Pynrem jur bat pempau ka Sngewlem, halor ka Jingshah Pyniap jang kawai ka doktor, ka batrai hapu Arjikar, hospital ka badan hapu Kolkata. Kani ka doktor kala cha alai beijot, bak Jingshah Pyniap akar kom ka ba isarkai bha, haka khandai tarik mata ubnai hapu Kolkata. Na kaliang jangka Bethany Hospital kala pelongi ka jarang Sngewlem, bat Pynrem jur ya kani ka Jingshah ka bagi la yoru, bat pelong ka Jingdua Sngewlem dan pata kani ka Jingshah bat kumjuru, kila rai ban pelong ka Jing sangat rekam na kam ta ka OPD na ne ka Jing aidawai ya ki bana shabar.
Kaya bangiyang lang ko try to improve. Ya Jing ko try. Ya doctor ko try sa Kolkata. Kapala siya na beijot ko try. Kiriw Sngewlem romanjang ni pati abulay ko try. Try the way we never try that was. Ya Pynrem na way jo. Ya kung kita kibrew ko try. Kebetulan kita sendiri apa joki itu, bahkan wajib hantam yakin kesem joni doktor betul, ia kami menguai kabulai jona betul, malam air kita betul, ya jingshah betul.
We had a very tragic event in one of the hospitals in Calcutta. One of our community members had lost her life in the line of duty. Yes, in recent years we have witnessed an alarming rise in incidents of violence against doctors and healthcare across India. The incident ranged from verbal abuse to physical assaults, sexual assaults against female health workers, often resulting in injuries and even death. The most recent and deeply troubling incident in West Bengal has once again brought this issue to the forefront. A young female doctor on duty was brutally raped and murdered during her duty hours, an act of violence that cannot be tolerated in any civilized society. This incident is not an isolated one, it's part of a disturbing trend. Doctors who dedicate their lives to saving others are increasingly becoming victims of violence. This is not only endangers their lives, but also undermines the entire healthcare system. We cannot afford to stay silent any longer. We need urgent action from both the government in terms of strong legal protection and from the public in terms of greater respect and understanding for the medical professions. Today, as we gather here to discuss an issue, but to honor the memory of a dedicated doctor who tragically lost her life in a senseless act of violence. This candlelight vigil is a solemn reminder of the dangers faced by those who have sworn in to heal and protect all of us. This young doctor's untimely death is not just a personal loss to her family and friends, but a profound tragedy to the entire medical community. Her life was devoted to caring for others, and yet she became a victim of a very violent act that continues to plague our healthcare system.
With respect to incident happened at Arjikar Medical College, Kolkata, we strongly condemn such heinous crime against the female doctor on duty. And we as a woman from any profession, we have faced a lot of challenges, difficulties and harassment, maybe physical, mental or verbal. We just ask for simple basic safety in environment in our workplace, but still we still face such kind of issues and we strongly condemn such things. Women safety is still a big question in our society, and in respect to that incident, I really feel bad. I don't even have any more speech. I'm really speechless. Like I cannot express how much I feel bad in that incident. If it was me, I will still. I don't know how she went through that incident. So all I can say is I really strongly condemn that incident, and I really hope everyone and every woman in the society have safety environment, workplace, and where we can live like safely. All this I can ask. I'm really speechless. I'm really feeling bad from inside. I don't even have any word to say. I'm so sorry, but thank you. And I hope justice for her.
Of our heartfelt condolences to the family of Dr. Mumina Jagnath, who has lost her life during her duty hours. And we really, we got may also have the spirit and may also God give comfort to the family who have suffered this tragic instances. This is a wake-up call to everyone, not only to the medical fraternity, but also to the society and the community as a whole. How many times will we have to light candles? How many times will we have to march? There are so many cases happens like this. But still, there's nothing change in our society. So we the medical fraternity as a whole, we would like all of us to unite and to condemn and ask for a change in the law and order so that no one will dare to touch our women in the future because of our looseness in our law and order systems. These things keep happen every now and then. I think this is not in this year's we this case came into light because she is medical fraternity. Just think that those people who are very, from the low class people who not so much importance, they face so much problems. I think there's so many cases on reported case which face the same case as our senior doctors in from Kolkata. So let's unite and call for change in the system and the whole and the country as a whole.
Few days for us, a member of our fraternity had faced such horrendous acts of violence which is beyond uh, thinkable. She had suffered so much, and that too in the line of duty. She was doing her work in the place where she thought that she she had safety, but instead her life was taken away in spite of uh, the comfort which she thought she had. So we demand from the government a more safer, protected environment, not only for us, for our fraternity, but for every female uh, uh, workers, be it any field. It can be in the office, it can be in the schools, it can be in anywhere. We need to protect our dear sisters. They should feel safe to work. The environment where they can give their best, the service which they give their best to our people, to our society. So these few words, I really condemn this horrendous act which has happened in the government hospital in Kolkata, and I really wish the family, I condone my deepest condolences to the family, and may her soul rest in peace. Yes. So as a mark of, in terms with the Indian Medical Council has called for, just a mark of to show that a solidarity with the whole of the doctors fraternity of the country, we from Bethany hospitals will be not functioning our routine OPDs, but our emergency services will be available. Anyone can still come to the hospitals. Yes, routine OPDs is closed for tomorrow. Other works, emergency works will continue.